Hi, I am Pragmatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 35th week of pregnancy in this video. In the 35th week, it is important to take foods that are rich in cholesterol-free. Fruits and vegetables are naturally cholesterol-free and packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Aim to include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your daily meals. Tricolor vegetables Oreo. Ingredients: carrot 1/4 cup, beans and cabbage 1/4 cup, green chilies 1 number, onion chopped 2 teaspoons, mustard seeds 1/4 tsp, urad dal half a teaspoon, grated coconut half a teaspoon, oil 1 teaspoon, salt to taste. Tricolor vegetables Oreo. For the 35th week, let us see how to make this. In a deep pan, heat oil, add mustard seeds and urad dal, saute until dal turns golden brown, add onion, ginger and green chilies, mix well. Now, add all vegetables and salt, then add a little water and cover it with a lid. Once vegetables are cooked, add grated coconut. Mix well and serve hot. Tricolor vegetables Oreo. A tricolor vegetable curry typically includes a variety of vegetables of different colors, such as red, yellow, and green. These colorful vegetables provide a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for the health of both the mother and the baby. And then, hope you liked the 35th week pregnancy recipe video from Pragmatic. Pragmatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.